I'ma show y'all where's the best place to hide some shit at. The PS2. I'm just gonna bring that to my desk. Gonna put that bitch down. Best console ever, by the way. Open the slot. At the first try, you can it's kind of hard to open the first try, but later on it's okay. You can hide a lot of small things, like let's say Game Boy Color game, Zelda, Link's Awakening. Awakening. I think that yeah, that's DX. Some PSP games, GTA Vice City Stories. Best PSP game ever. Just gonna put that bitch in. The Sims 2, also a good game. It's pretty cool too. I'm not sure if it's better quality, but I think that's gonna be better quality. Some money as well. Just close that bitch up. Normally I would just buy an HDD to hack my PS2 because I don't want to spend money for more games. I think I bought enough games, enough physical games. Okay, I'm just gonna put the power on and connect everything. The memory card. Okay, there we go. The controller port 1. If I was playing Psycho Mantis, that would be 2. But this ain't a PS1. Bye bye.